Good evening. Ed from the Iridium Group, up in Snowbird land. Today, two things I want to talk to you about. First of all, medical bags in a truck. Red is a great color. This is a bag from SOE Tactical Gear, my friends. One of the reasons why you want something that is contrasting is not just for yourself. Say you arrive on site for a motor vehicle collision. You run out there, you're rendering aid, and you need to send somebody who doesn't know anything about medicine back to pick up your bag. You can say, hey, get the red bag. Easy to find. Okay, so think about that. Now, if you want to be super tactical, which I get, consider one of these. This is something new that we've brought on board. This is from Tasmanian Tiger. This is one of their regular medical packs. It opens up nicely. We'll get into that in the future. I just want to give you a heads up. There's a bunch of good imagery on the website about it. Go check them out. They're small, compact. They've got everything that you need, nothing you don't. They're good, made of good quality. So give that a look. This is more for if you're moving and you don't want to be picked up, be visible. This is for if you want people to be able to find medical equipment in a hurry. Okay? So that's two good tips that I've got for you tonight. Remember, get outside, get training, keep doing the things, keep getting after it.